Oil change 2011 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado.
Pop your fill cap, pop your dipstick. Lift her up. Be careful with those jacks and jack stands. Come underneath the vehicle from the front and then do a spin around. I like to use this oil filter tool right here, and it's getting a little sloppy, so I put a rag in there and hammered it on. We're on our oil filter. You can also use these styles right here, whatever you got to do. 15 millimeter. Let's bust that free. That was not on there tight. That probably explains why there's oil leakage. Let her drain out and wipe down that housing with a rag. Maybe wear some gloves. And then we're gonna put our drain plug back in. Maybe 30. A little bit for the oil filter. A little bit for the ring. Make sure your old gasket came off. Part number 27060. Spin your filter on there until it snugs up and give it another quarter turn or so it's nice and tight. While you got her up in the air, check your suspension and brakes. This one's getting new brakes right now. See, we got a little bit of a loosey-goosey ball joint here. Gonna need to be attended to soon. Squirts down the hatch here. Check all our fluids. Make sure everything's good. And stay on position. Pump the accelerator 3 times fast. And then start it up.